Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set flashlight notifications for incoming calls on your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. First of all, go to the settings and click on accessibility. Click on accessibility and click on advanced settings. Now click on flash notification and turn on the button against camera flash notification. And if you want to use screen flash notification, turn on this button and screen flash will appear along with camera flash. Now if you receive any call, you will have flashlight notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. I make a call from another phone. See, I receive a call and screen is flashing, and also see in the back side camera is flashing. This flashlight notification comes along with screen flash. If you turn off these two buttons, you will not get any flashlight notification. Now see it. I receive a call and there is no flashlight blinking in the back side of my phone. In this way, you can easily set flashlight notifications for incoming calls, or you can turn off flashlight notifications for incoming calls or alarms in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.